In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in Clickup. Clickup is a powerful productivity tool that can streamline your workflows and enhance team collaboration significantly. One of the great features it offers is the ability to mention people, ensuring that your communications are targeted, efficient, and clear. Let's dive in and walk through the simple process of doing this. To get started, first, you'll need to head over to the Clickup website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the login options. For the ease of access, Clickup offers various login methods. Choose Continue with Google to use your Google account for logging in. Just select the account you want to use and you'll be seamlessly logged into your Clickup dashboard. Now, with your Clickup account open, it's time to navigate to your specific workspace. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a panel displaying all your spaces and projects. Carefully scroll through and select the space you want to work in. This action will take you deeper into your organized tasks and projects. Great, you've made it to your space. The next step is to zero in on the particular task where you wish to make your mention. Click on the task that requires your attention. This will open a detailed view of the task, showing you everything from subtasks to attachments and comments. Search for the comment box situated at the lower right corner of your task screen. It's your go-to for direct communication within Clickup. Here, in the comment box, you'll be able to type in your message and make mentions as needed for efficient communication. Now, to mention someone specifically, you'll just need to use the @ symbol. Type this symbol directly into the comment box, followed by the name of the team member you wish to bring into the conversation. As you begin typing their name, Clickup will display a list of matches. Simply select the correct profile from this list to make sure the person is accurately mentioned. Once you've selected the person's profile, you'll notice that their name becomes highlighted within your comment. This ensures your mention is linked correctly. You're almost done. All that's left is to hit the send button to finalize your comment. And there you have it. You've successfully mentioned someone in Clickup. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing updates, these steps will ensure your team members receive the necessary information timely. Thank you for watching and happy Clickupping.